Do you control your day, or does your day control you? I know we all show up in the morning, ready to go. We know exactly what it is that we want to accomplish. But unfortunately, sometimes we get knocked off track. And when we get knocked off track, we lose our momentum. Are you ready to do a great job and provide excellent customer service to your clients? We strive at our firm to give the best customer service that we can to our clients. However, we found out that we were not delivering on that promise. We were failing, and we were failing miserably in one important area: returning clients' phone calls. We struggled with taking care of our clients. We were letting our day control us and not controlling our day, which led to our clients getting frustrated, along with us getting frustrated as well. Now, I know some of you will say, we have a rule at our firm that we return clients' phone calls within a 24-hour period, and I would say that is great, but you're still letting your clients down. Let me explain. Your client calls your office, and for whatever reason, must leave you a message. You are just not available. You have coached your assistant well. They asked the right questions. What is the best number for them to reach you at? And may I tell them why you are calling? They take down the message and leave a note on your desk for you to call them back. Eager to provide the best service possible, you pick up the phone to call your client back, only to have to leave them a message. And it goes something like this. Hi, Mr. Smith. Sorry I missed you earlier today. I would love to talk with you about your accounts. When you have a moment, please give us a call back. You then proceed to go about your day, back in another meeting. What happens? Mr. Smith calls you back while you're in that meeting. You and your client didn't know it at the time, but you just entered into a game of phone tag. This is the worst kind of game. It's not fun, and it's a complete customer service nightmare. There are no winners to this game, only losers. What happens to your reputation when you're not available to your clients? What could they be thinking? Oh, they are too busy for me? They don't value my business. Why won't they take my call? Are they avoiding me? However, this is the farthest thing from the truth. You do value your clients. You're just helping other clients. But there has to be a better way, right? Let me explain how with one easy step, you can make your client feel important and appreciated. Have your assistant finish the call with one additional question. Mr. Smith, I know your time is valuable and that you are busy. So that we do not waste your time today, would it be possible for us to set a time today for us to call you back? By setting a return appointment phone call, you've just ended the game of phone tag. Your client will now feel valued as you are letting them know ahead of time you value their time as well. Doing this one simple step will allow you to regain control of your day and will allow you to provide excellent customer service. Will you end the game of phone tag? Thank you, MDRT.